How to add someone on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add someone on Zoom mobile. First let's go to Zoom and now just click this one here, add contact, and you can add contact by email address or from phone number. Like click here and then just type email address and then click add, or click here and then click from phone contacts, click here and then type his name here, and it's easy. That's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.